Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where you'll find everything crochet and yarn related. I'm coming to you from my private room in my house, my bathroom. It's the only room that you probably won't hear any kids or dogs barking and kids yelling. So I apologize if there's a little bit of an echo here. So if you are new to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning friend of mine, I always appreciate you guys talking yarn with me, and everybody hit that thumbs up. Please look in the description box below. You'll find a playlist of my hundreds and hundreds of crochet tutorials that I have. Anything that you could ever want to make, and multiples of them. So today I'm going to show you some yarn new yarn from Michael's. They had some new Caron cakes. They're not really new. They had them before, like a few years ago, and then they brought them back. So I noticed they've been doing that with their Caron cakes. They'll discontinue them sometimes, and then they'll bring them back, which is cool because I liked these cakes. Oh, I don't have a tutorial for this hat. This hat was made on my knitting machine, my Addy knitting machine. But the yarn is from Joann's. It's one of their new yarns. It's called Reverb by, it's Joann's brand of yarn. All right, so let's begin. So these are Caron Tea Cakes. Now, as I mentioned, these are new this year. They brought them for the reset for the fall and the winter, but they are not new. I do have tutorials that I've made things out of these a few years ago, and I've always liked them. But they brought them back, and I was pretty excited. They do have a limited color selection. They only have 5 colors available of this yarn. So why don't we go ahead and I'll tell you the specs and everything about it. Now, I really like this yarn. I liked it when they had it before. They did have a lot more colors a few years ago than they do now, but who knows? They could add more colors to it as the time goes on this year. So the tea cakes are classified as a bulky number 6. I like bulky weight yarns, so that's a nice bulky 6 right there. It's very, that's about dead on for a bulky 6. Well, in my eyes, I think it's nice. These are 80 acrylic and 20 wool blend. And why don't we read, they're 8.5 ounces, 240 grams. There are 204 yards or 186 meters. So 204 yards. Washing instructions are hand wash and lay flat. Everything says that nowadays. Maybe they're just saying that because they want you. They don't want to take any responsibility in case something happens. I don't know. So that again, this happened with another yarn that I just showed a new yarn. Most of them now that I've been showing that are new are all saying hand wash, lay flat. That will detour some people from buying it, and then some people will still purchase it and put it in a washer and dryer, which I can't say 100% didn't do anything. But then some people will hand wash. So it's really that I'm just giving, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just giving you the deets here. This is made in India. Okay, so let's see. So the color I have here is called Storm. It's very beautiful, very neutral grays, as you can tell. There's just, there's not, it's a striping yarn. There's the gray right there. But the colors are very muted in this. There's not a lot of color transition, I would say, in that one. You can see it a bit, but it's not much. It's very neutral. I like that one though. It's very beautiful. I always say I love a good gray. That's a very beautiful gray. I do have all 5 here to show you, and I do have a favorite, but that's okay. You're gonna let me know your favorite in the comment. I'll read them. I'm always interested. And then we have this one right here, very pretty. And again, it's just some blues. 1, 2, 3, maybe about 5 different colors of blue there is in there. 3, 4, or 5. That's kind of a tealish blue, more blue than green, and then it goes down to a dark blue. I like it. It's pretty. This was called Ocean Night. It's a nice one. I feel this is nice. You know, it feels like a bulky. It feels kind of like if you've ever felt lime brand woolies, it's kind of just like that. I think it even has the same fiber content as that. I'm a big woolies fan though. It's one of my favorite yarns that Lion brand makes. So of course these are going to be just right up my alley. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. I like that one. Let's see. That's two I've showed you. I thought I had them all. I do. Ooh, I don't know. This one's pretty. This one's pretty. I like that one. So we got the gold here. Kind of a green here. Gold, gray, then green, then gray again, and then light gray, and then gold. Yeah, you got a couple different colors of gray, green, and gold. I like that. That's pretty. So this one's called Rainforest. That's a very nice one. Very pretty. Well, I thought that I had a favorite. Now I'm looking them over. I'm like, maybe not. So now we have this one. It's called Underbrush. It's kind of similar to that one, except for it's lacking the gold, and it added some brown right here. Otherwise, it is a little similar looking, I guess. The green, I guess the greens are different. Little similar, not as similar as I thought, but a little bit. So we got a green here, kind of like a olive green, I would say. And then it goes off to a taupe and then a brown, and then kind of a grayish brown. So it's pretty. I like it. They smell clean. And there's one more, which I think this one is probably my favorite. I actually did get enough to make a bigger project only of this one. But I do like them all. I got enough to make, you know, hats and scarves out of all of them if I wanted to, but I got enough of this one to make something bigger, like a blanket, if I wanted to. That one is my favorite. That's very pretty. Yeah, that's absolutely 100% my favorite. Now I do love them all. Don't get me wrong; they're all very beautiful, and I probably will make hats and scarf sets out of them or something like that, because that would be more than likely what I would do with them. You know, cowl, infinity scarf, stuff like that. But this one has got it going on. It's so pretty. Well, what's the name? Smoked fruit. Ooh, I like it. So we got this plum color here, and we got this, I don't know how to describe that blue. Whatever blue you would describe that as. It's like a, I don't know. It's pretty blue. And then we got like an avocado green. Ooh, look at that pink. That's like a vintage color, pinkish gray. I like that. That's beautiful. Oh, this even has a little bit of orange in it. Like, I don't know if I'd call that orange. Peach, I guess. Peach. And then you got a dark, oh, then you got that plum color again. That's nice. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. I would imagine they all have 5 colors in them, but some of them are just so, the colors in them are so similar that you can't really tell exactly. Like the gray. There's probably, if I had, I mean, more than likely there's 5 different colors of gray in there, but they're very, very similar, so it's hard to point them all out. I mean, I can't say for certain they all have 5 colors, but 4 to 5 each, I would say. This one's my favorite, Rainforest. So that's all on the Caron Tea Cakes that they had this year. Like I said, though, it's possible they could put new colors in, because they did just put these up on their website, along with a couple others that I purchased, different other Caron cakes. And then I noticed later that they added another color to one of them. So, like I said, they could add more colors as the time goes on. It's so pretty early. It's still summer, so you know. But this is it. Beautiful. So, which one is your favorite? You let me know in the comment section. I like them. I do. But remember, these are very similar to Wool Ease. If you like that yarn, you're going to love these. Oh, price. Before I go, these are $12.99. Caron Cakes hat went up in the U.S. Most of them are $12.99 now. You know, unless they're on clearance. But as I noted before, Michael's, this is where Caron Cakes come from, they always have a 20% off coupon that you can use almost every single, I don't think I've ever seen them without that 20% coupon. So yes, you can always get them 20% off. I bought these online at Michael's. I'm sure they're in store at some Michael's, and you know, but my Michael's did not have them. I called. So all the new yarn that Michael's came out with, I had to purchase online because my Michael's did not have it or has not gotten it yet. So yes, mine came online, $12.99. I was able to get 20% off. So you know, the yarns went up. I like it, tea cakes a lot. I liked them when they had them, and I like them now. I would pay for that again, sure, with the 20% off. Thanks everybody for watching. See you on my next video, okay? Bye guys.